Hi there, students. Calibre, a noun. Notice in British English probably ends RE, in American English ER, but that's very common, centre, ERRE. The Brits tend to like RE endings. Okay, so calibre. I think most commonly you'll come across this word calibre talking about the quality of something, the quality of someone, especially someone's ability. So I'm always astounded by the calibre of the English that the people who follow my channel have. They have very high calibre English. I think if the nursing profession paid more, then they would attract higher caliber candidates. I was going to say higher quality, higher caliber. The entries to the competition were of such high caliber that it was very difficult to find a winner. Okay, so the quality, the character, the worth, the standard, yeah, high caliber. I guess you could have low caliber as well. Now, you can also use this word caliber to talk about the diameter of something, particularly of guns. Yeah, ammunition comes in various different calibers. Caliber is normally measured either in millimeters or inches. So a Colt 45, that 45 refers to the caliber of bullets, and the bullets are 0.45 inches. You could have a 9mm, yeah, that's another caliber. So the caliber of a bullet, or the caliber of the rifling, the hole down the middle. You could also use this about a pipe or something round. Yeah, so I need a 20 centimeter caliber pipe. Yeah, the diameter of it. Okay, the diameter of the inside of a round cylinder or a tube, the caliber, the diameter. And that's gone further, more metaphorically now, to talk about the quality of something, the degree of worth. This university is of very high caliber. The workforce is rather low caliber. Yeah, we need to try to improve it. It's talking about quality. I guess you could also use caliber talking about the degree of importance or the degree of excellence of something. This is a very high caliber restaurant. Goes both in importance and, I would say, even there with the idea of reputation. Okay, so the caliber of something, the diameter of something, how wide it is. Okay, as to formality, I think I would give this word a 5.5 in formality. I think use it anywhere, although it's a touch on the more formal side. High quality would probably be more normal informally. High caliber. It's a good word to substitute for quality in your exam speaking and writing. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from Italian calibro, the caliber, the diameter, or the quality, which actually comes from Arabic qalib, meaning a mold, something that you mold something around. And originally it comes from ancient Greek kalapouos, talking about a shoemaker's last. This is the metal thing that, or wooden thing that a shoemaker uses to make shoes. It's the mold, and he makes the shoe around the mold, and this is the idea of caliber. So I hope this has been a very high caliber class. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Calibre.